Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2006 Ford F-150 LARIAT, and in this short video I will show you which fuses to check in case you have problems with the starter or the ignition, so in case you have hard time starting your F-150. This video applies to F-150s made from 2004 all the way up to 2008. All the fuses and the relay you need to check are located in a fuse box just next to the passenger right leg behind this cover. Okay, let me turn on flash on my phone. Okay, so to remove this cover you want to just pull it towards yourself. It's held by two clips just here on the side. Now you will have a black fuse box cover. The easiest way to remove it is by using a flat screwdriver. Just pry it down here and pull it up, and the cover will just pop off, and now you will have full access to all the fuses. Now first you want to check the 30 amp fuse number 101, which is located right here. And this is the fuse that actually gives power to the starter solenoid. And if you are having problems with the ignition lock, you want to check the fuse number 102, which is a 20 amp fuse located right here. And this fuse gives power to the ignition switch feed. And the last thing to check is the R01 relay, which is the top relay right here. This is the solenoid relay, also very important thing to check. What you can do, there's a couple of same type of relays. You can just try switching them and see if that makes any difference. That's the easiest way actually to test it. Thank you for watching my short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.